Ever pondered the thrill of venturing into the world alone, armed only with a backpack and an open mind? The thought might seem daunting, but solo travel can be an incredible, life-changing experience. So buckle up, adventurers, as we journey through the top 5 destinations for solo travel in 2024, in a countdown that promises to inspire your wanderlust. Coming in at number 5, we have the vibrant city of Lisbon, Portugal. A city where the past and present coexist harmoniously, Lisbon is a haven for history buffs and foodies alike. Its picturesque streets, brimming with traditional fado music, delectable pastéis de nata, and a rich maritime history, are sure to captivate any solo traveler. Plus, with its friendly locales and affordable living costs, Lisbon is an excellent starting point for your solo journey. Next up, at number 4, we find ourselves in the heart of Asia, in the bustling city of Taipei, Taiwan. A blend of traditional and modern, Taipei offers an array of experiences from tranquil temples to towering skyscrapers. The city's night markets are a sensory overload, offering a myriad of culinary delights that are a must-try for any food-loving traveler. Halfway through our countdown at number 3, we venture into the wild landscapes of New Zealand. With its breathtaking scenery, featuring everything from snow-capped mountains to lush forests, New Zealand is a paradise for those seeking adventure and tranquility alike. The Kiwi hospitality is second to none, making it a safe and welcoming destination for solo travelers. Now, on to our runner-up at number 2, Copenhagen, Denmark. Known for its innovative design, eco-friendliness, and the world-renowned concept of hygge, Copenhagen is a city that exudes comfort and creativity. Cycle along the city's many bike paths, indulge in Danish pastries, or simply bask in the cozy ambiance of this Scandinavian gem. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our top pick for the best solo travel destination in 2024 is, drumroll please, Kyoto, Japan. A city where tradition meets modernity, Kyoto is a serene escape teeming with ancient temples, tranquil gardens, and charming tea houses. With its efficient public transportation and a reputation for safety, Kyoto is not only easy to navigate, but also an ideal destination for solo travelers. To recap, from the lively streets of Lisbon to the serene landscapes of Kyoto, these destinations offer a wealth of experiences that cater to a variety of interests. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a food lover, an adventure seeker, or simply someone in search of tranquility, these destinations promise a fulfilling solo journey. So, adventurers, it's time to pack your bags, step out of your comfort zone, and embark on the solo journey of a lifetime. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only a page. Safe travels. Before we wrap up this journey, don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed our global tour. And if you're eager to discover more captivating destinations for your solo adventures, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly exploring new places to help you find your next dream destination. Safe travels, fellow adventurers, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.